In today's video, I would like to show you how you can go to Clickbank today and start making money using it without any experience and get paid over $200 per day as a complete beginner without creating any videos, without having a website, or without any hard work.
Welcome to WifiMoney Girl, a place where I'm going to teach you how to make money online. Just before we get started with today's video, don't forget to hit the like, smash the like button, and to never miss out on any of the future videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so I can notify you every single time that I upload a brand new money-making video. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and tell me what you think. I always love your feedback. And with that being said, let's get back to the video.
Okay, so the step number 1. Now, because Clickbank is going to be paying us via PayPal, you want to make sure that you are going to create your free PayPal account in order to get paid. So just head over to PayPal and you want to sign up completely for free and you want to create your free account. Now, I suppose most of you people that are watching this video already have a PayPal account, but just to make sure, just go ahead and create one. It's 100% free and this is exactly where you're going to receive all the payments from Clickbank. Click right here, sign up for free, and you can just create a personal account. Go through the setup process and it's going to be very easy. The next step, what you need to do is you need to go to clickbank.com. Now, if you don't have a Clickbank account already, I suppose again, most of people watching this video have a Clickbank account. You just want to create one. Again, it's very simple. Just go to clickbank.com, click on sign up button right here, and you want to fill out these details. Now, Clickbank account is 100% free to create, and all you really need to do is just fill out these details. And then once you're going to be prompted, you want to enter your bank account details or your newly created PayPal account's details. So you can actually receive the money that you are going to be making using this method. Okay, now when you're going to log in, you want to go to the Marketplace section, and from this section, we are going to pick up our affiliate offer that we are going to be promoting. Now, I'm going to show you everything in a step-by-step format. What you need to do in order to start getting high-quality traffic to your Clickbank offers as soon as possible. So please pay attention because the next steps are going to be very important. So from the categories, what you're going to use are going to be the most popular categories. If you don't know which are these categories, then do not select any of them. Just scroll up and click on the search icon right here. And now Clickbank is going to show you all the products that are currently being promoted that have very high rank, that have very high gravity, which means how many affiliates are currently making money using these products and are also very popular, which means how well these products are converting. Now, from these products that are going to show up, it's really up to you which one you want to be using. For example, this one that's right here is going to pay you $143. This one is going to pay you $175 on average. However, this one is only going to pay you $11. But you are more likely to get a sale if the price is so low. So if you want to generate your first ever Clickbank sale, I highly recommend that you're going to go for this product because it's going to get you sales very, very fast, especially with the method which I'm about to show you. So what you want to do is you want to click right here on the promote button and you want to get your affiliate link. However, also don't be scared and you can also go for any of the products that have a little higher price range. For example, this one right here, $207 on average, and you can get your affiliate link right here. Then once you're going to pick up your product, what you need to do is you need to click on the name of the product. So for example, let's go with this one. You click on the name of the product and now you're going to come to the sales page of the product. What you need to do is you want to copy the domain name the sales page is on. So for example, this product is called the Smoothie Diet and the domain is going to be smoothiediet.com. So I'm just going to copy it and now you want to head over to a new website which is called ispionage.com. Now this is where you want to paste the domain URL, so you're going to get a lot of data from the website. Now this website is now going to pull out all the high performing ads that other people are using to promote this specific product that you can use right now. Steal them ethically and legally and start making money yourself.
By the way, if you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Now let's get back to the video.
Just navigate to this section right here which says ads, and you can search for Google Ads or Bing Ads right here. Now from my experience, you can use both of them. Mix and match them together, and Google Ads are going to work for Bing and Bing Ads are going to work for Google. All you have to do right now is just sort these ads by days seen, and now you're going to get the ads that have been running for the longest amount of time, where people have spent the most amount of money and that have most likely generate this people tons of money in return. Otherwise, they wouldn't be running it for almost 200 days. So now all that is left to do is you need to copy this exact headlines, copy these sub-headlines, copy these descriptions, and advertise these ads yourself. Now, because I want to make this a lot easier for you guys, you don't even have to pay for these advertisements. Because all you can do is just head over to this website which is called cleverads.com, and you can get your free $120 coupon for promoting on Google Ads. Now this is going to be 100% free, and you just go to the website which is called cleverads.com, and you can get your free Google Ads promo code right here. All you have to do is just log in using your Google account, and then you can create a 100% free Google Ads using the website ispionage.com. Now, feel free to use any of these ads that you're going to see right here, but I would strongly recommend that you're going to go for those have been running for the longest time, because chances are these ads have made the owner thousands of dollars. But also you can go for Google Ads right here, and again, don't forget to sort them by date seen. And that's all for today's video. Just head over to Clickbank, pick up a popular offer, then go to iSpionage, and you want to search for this offer right here. So it's going to get you all this valuable data, and then just head over to Clever Ads and claim your free $120 coupon and advertise these campaigns on Google completely for free.
And that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you get a lot of value from today's method, and just before you go, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, let me know what you think about today's video by commenting below, and to watch even more videos from my channel, check out any of them that are going to show up on the screen right now, and I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day!